Hi, I'm Nick with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our active grille shutters. Active grille shutters are relatively recent development on the automobile. Found on the front of the vehicle, integrated into the fascia and bumper, active grille shutters may look like their predecessor, the stationary grille. Instead, these grilles feature louvers that are normally linked to one another and actuated by a small motor. Active grille shutters do a few different things. First, by closing, they reduce the amount of air entering the engine bay at speed, contributing to greater fuel economy by reduced drag. Second, they help the vehicle warm up faster, which helps the car enter closed loop mode more quickly, which reduces emissions. Faster warm-up also gets warm coolant circulating quickly, making the cabin comfier and the windshield defrost more rapidly for motorists in cold climates. And finally, active air shutters can help manage NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. By routing air around the car rather than through the engine bay, the cabin quiets down. A few different things may cause a customer to walk in and request one of these parts. We know them as active grille shutters, but you may simply be asked for a grille, grille flaps, or a grille motor. Due to their location in the front of the vehicle, they're vulnerable even in the most minor of front-end collisions. The actuating motors sometimes go bad, as can the linkages that join the motor and each one of the flaps. Usually, the item sending your customer in is a check engine light that has revealed a trouble code for a misbehaving active grille shutter. In more extreme cases, damage will be obvious from a collision. Dorman has you and your customer covered. We offer high-quality replacement shutter assemblies that drop in directly. There aren't too many nuances to this category, but you may notice in your travels that we sell these assemblies with and without motors, and in most scenarios, there isn't a choice. And that's simply because we optimize our offerings to remove the motors when we know the OEM units are built robustly, enabling your customer to reuse the original unit and save money. Conversely, if you see a Dorman shutter assembly with the motor, odds are good that the original unit is failure prone. Installation on these is generally straightforward and standard hand tools are enough to get the job done. It's likely your customer may need things like trim clips and fasteners if the vehicle is involved in a collision, along with other items that may have been damaged like a radiator or a condenser. In some cases, a scan tool will be needed to clear diagnostic trouble codes. And remember, if you need any help before, during, or after the sale, the Dorman technical support team is always there to help. Give them a ring at 1-866-933-2911. Thanks for taking a little time to brush up on active grille shutters. We hope it helps you and your customers. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.